Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send your first message on Signal application using your mobile device. First of all, open up the Signal application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're inside, go ahead and click on the pencil icon at the top right corner to start up a new chat. Now, from your contact list, tap on the name of the person you want to message. Once you do that, go to the message thread at the bottom and type in your message, and then click on the arrow facing upwards in blue at the bottom right corner. You can also add emojis to your text and send it to the person. If you want to attach photos, videos, or files, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left, and then you can go ahead and select photo, video, GIFs, files, locations, and other contacts on the chat. So that is how you can easily send your very first message on Signal. It is a simple and secure way to connect with friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out other Signal tutorials from the channel. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.